Hello students, hi. So welcome to our maths class. In 8th class mathematics, we started exponents and powers and all the formulas we discussed and we completed first exercise. And after that, we started applications of the exponents and powers. So using the exponents and powers formulas, a big number, if a big number is given, we can write it in the standard form. So changing the given normal form or usual form of a number into standard form. So why we change it into the standard form? Because if the number is very big, suppose if after 5 there are some 20 zeros. So to write that much big number is very difficult. So wherever we write, we can't write that much big number. Everywhere it is inconvenience. So instead of writing in that way, so we can write in another form which is called standard form. So like that, we are discussing about changing the usual form into standard form. So for that, we started exercise 4.2 and we completed the first exercise and remaining same model, no new formulas. For before starting this exercise itself, I have given all the required concepts, how to change the usual form into standard form and the standard form number into usual form. So both we discussed. Now we are continuing that exercise, exercise 4.2. First completed and now this is the second question. The question is, express the following numbers in the usual form. Standard form is given, change it into usual form. Express the following in the usual form. This is called standard form. Change it into normal form. Normally we write the numbers. So like that we have to change. How to change? See here. First remove the decimal. Remove this decimal. How to remove the decimal? To remove the decimal in any number, we have to write 1 here and put number of zeros equal to number of digits after decimal. After decimal there are 2 digits, so put 2 zeros. This is not a new concept. You studied in the lower classes in decimals and fractions. You studied this concept. So 4.37 we have to remove the decimal. Why we have to remove the decimal? Because we are changing the standard form into usual form. In usual form we don't write any decimal. So this is, remove the decimal, this is by 100 into 10 power 5 is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times. 5 times. So 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times you can write or put 5 zeros, both are same. In between you can write one more step. First change this like this and next step you can write 100 here. But I have written one direct step here. Both the things I did at the same time. 4.37 I am removing the decimal. To remove the decimal we will get 100 in the denominator. Because to remove the decimal write 1. After decimal there are 2 digits, so 2 zeros we will get over. 10 to the power of 5 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times. That is nothing but after 1 we can write 5 zeros. So 2 zeros cancel. What is the answer? 437 into 1000. So we will get 3 zeros. 1000, 3 zeros. 437 into 1000, 437 thousands. That means 437, 3 zeros here. 4,37,000. 4,37,000. This is the normal form, usual form, we generally write the numbers like this. But it can be done in the another form which is called standard form. So here the question is, standard form is given, change it into usual form. Same model, same. 5.8 is 58 by after decimal 1 digit, so 10. After decimal 1 digit, so 10. After decimal 1 digit, 10. 10 power 7 is 10 into 10 into 10, 7 times. 10 power 7 is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 7 times. So instead of writing all that, I will put 7 zeros, both are same. Ten to the power of 7 is 10 into 10 into 7 times, which is nothing but after 1, 7 zeros. 1 0 cancel. What is the answer? 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros answer. Right. See here. .5 is 3 to 5. Remove the decimal. To remove the decimal, after 1 we have to keep 10. Remove the decimal. To remove the decimal, we have to write 1, and after decimal, how many digits? 1 digit. So 10. 32.5 can be written as 325 divided by write 1, and after decimal we have 1 digit, so 10. 10 to the power of minus 4 is minus 4. Make the power positive. 10 to the power of plus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4, write in the denominator, it will become 10 to the power of plus 4. We studied this formula. We know this. 10 to the, if you take this into the denominator, it will be, the power will become positive. Okay. Total 325 by total 10 to the power of 5. Total 10 and 10 to the power of 4 is 10 to the power of 5. That means after 1, 6 zeros. 4 zeros, 4 and 1, 5, total 5 zeros. 5 zeros. This is 4. This is 1. Total 5 zeros. See, 10 to the power of minus 4 I write in the denominator. I am writing in the denominator. Minus 4 will become plus 4 over. This 32.5. To remove this 32.5, to remove the decimal, we have to write 1. After decimal, 1 digit, so 10. Total, how many zeros? 10 to the power of 4. 4 zeros, 1 0. Total 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, remember the concept you studied in the decimals. You studied this type of simplifications in your lower classes. So, this can be written in the decimal form again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To remove, if the denominator have 5 zeros, there should be a decimal after 5 digits. That means before 5 digits. To remove these 5 zeros, put the decimal before 5 digits. See here. 3, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. To remove these 5 zeros, decimal should be kept before 5 digits. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. So total 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, next 4, 5 decimal. Actually, this concept is not related to this chapter. You studied in the lower classes. But once again, I am clearly explaining. So, to remove this total number, we can write this number in the form of a decimal. Same way, 32.5 to remove the decimal, we wrote 10. Same way, reverse. To remove these zeros, to remove the denominator, in the numerator, we have to keep the decimal before 5 digits. We have only 3 digits here. So put 2 more zeros, total will become 5 digits. And starting, if there is no nothing, this is 0. This is the answer. Next. See here. 371529 by 371529 by, first remove the decimal. For simplification, first I am removing the decimal. To remove the decimal, write 1 here. After decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits of 5 zeros. Remove the decimal. For that, write 1. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits of 5 zeros into 10 power 7. 10 power 7 means how many zeros? 7 zeros. First step, I removed this decimal. To remove the decimal, write 1 and 1 after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 digits of 5 zeros. 10 to the power of 7 means 7 zeros. Now, cancel. Into this. 100 into this number is 371529 2 zeros. 100 into this. See here. Same model. So no change in the concept, same model. Power minus 5, right in the denominator it becomes 10 power plus 5. 10 power minus 5, right in the denominator it becomes 10 power plus 5. Next. 3789 by 10 power 5 means 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times. So after 1, 5 zeros. 10 power 5 means 10 into 10 into 10, 5 times. Which is nothing but after 1, 5 zeros you will get. To remove this denominator, to remove the zeros, we have to keep the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. To remove 5 zeros, put the decimal before 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are removed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we require 1 more digits because 5 zeros means 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal. To remove this denominator, we have to keep the decimal. Before how many digits? 5 zeros means 5 digits. So this is 1 digit, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Only 4 digits. So put 0 before that. Total it will become 5 digits. So this is 0. Next. Say here. Remove the decimal. To remove the decimal after 1, how many digits here? 2 digits, so 2 zeros. To remove the decimal, the process is we have to keep 1 here. After decimal, 2 digits, so 2 zeros. 10 power minus 3 is minus in the denominator plus. Minus in the denominator plus. Minus in the denominator plus. Two, 4, 3, 6 by. This is 2 zeros. This is 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 3 times 3 zeros. Total I am writing 5 zeros. 10 power 3 and this is 10 power 2. So 10 power 3 plus 2 is 5. So total if you multiply we will get 5 zeros. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 5 zeros. Again we have to remove this denominator, write like this. Remove the denominator, write like this. This is called usual form. How to remove the denominator? To remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So there should be a decimal before 5 digits. 5 zeros, 5 digits. So 6 is 1 digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. 5 zeros means 1 0 here. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. There are only 4 digits. So 1 write 0 so that it will become 5 digits decimal. Students, next the third question, same model. We have 7 bits in that first bit. Express the following information in the standard form. Express the following information in the standard form. That means given form is usual form. Change it into the standard form. The size of the bacteria is 0.0012346 zeros. Zero point 0.0000004 meters. Change it into the standard form. Standard form means only 1 digit, or if it is having more digits, so 1 digit point something into 10 to the power of. So already we completed the first question. We solved many bits in this. How to change it into the standard form? 4 by 1, 4 by 1 after decimal. First I am removing the decimal. I am removing the decimal. After decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, 7 zeros. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, 7 zeros. This can be written as 10 to the power of 7. 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 10 power 7. 7 zeros can be written as 10 power 7. So this can be written as 4 into 10 to the power of 10 power 7 into the numerator 10 power minus 7. This is the standard form. That is the standard. Read the next question.